what you're doing and listen.
Good morning, everybody. We are at Fine Arc with my boy Jason. We're going to be doing the hydraulic handbrake install on my car. I'm going to be fabricating up, cutting the transmission tunnel, TIG welding a plate on to mount the hydraulic handbrake. That's the plan for today. Alright, now it's going the other way. The fucking camera's got a mind of its own. This is Jason. Yeah, it's pretty rad, dude. This is Jason, everybody. Jason is the mastermind, right? He's become quite the fucking fabricator. This is his E30 over here. I'm gonna go check it out. This thing fucking rips. It's SR swapped with shit, is a VVT head? It's got Nissan VTEC, yo. And Evo turbo, and all this fab work is Jason's. So look at these sweet welds. Hard lines for the breather system. Fine Arc makes and sells these Fran shrouds for your S13 SR20s. This car is all the proper fab. Up here on the lift is Evan's Evo. Look at that cage work. This was also done by Fine Arc here. It's massive strut braces. More sexual fabrication. I can't get enough of it. I can TIG too, but I don't have a TIG, so rely on my buddies who do freaking amazing work anyways. What other rad stuff can we show you? So we got a supercharged GTO. And then over here there's a freaking a 1J or 2J swapped FD. A GTR. Some GTR action for everyone. Oh, the paint on this thing. That is awesome. And this guy's also a 2J swap. No shit. Overnight parts from Japan. Evo. Oh, shit. Aww. His and hers Evos, guys. That's rad. Yo, I tried the his and her shit. Oh, yeah. No, it didn't work out at all. So yeah, the plan is to put it like right in there or something.
You don't want to. It might be a little close to
yeah,
the
it's
dash
going to be
on.
like right there, and then because the transmission tunnel goes down as it goes back, it'll actually be like more at an angle like that, you know.
Section out something like this, down here
Yep.
at this seam here.
Yep.
Up, and then kind of maybe.
And just
work
you
that
leave
down.
that or bend that over, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just afraid, like when you start to hammer it, and you start trying to fold shit, it's gonna start to get kind of.
It's gonna be under the plate.
That's true.
And it's just more material, like keep it stiffer still.
Yeah.
But yeah, like however you want to do it, like whatever works. So yeah, it'll be.
It's got to be clean, whatever it is. And maybe just make a small insert piece for the.
Oh, to cap it. I mean, if you want, yeah.
I don't know. I just don't know if I want it a hole.
Right.
Yeah, but it's funny. It's always the straightforward things that get fucked up.
Yeah.
You know, mine was a little flatter here, but you could you could essentially make a flat plate, and then the master would have been up in here. And
I know, dude. Look at this shit. Like,
oh, bro,
like
that would have been so titties.
Like, bam, just right there, dude.
Oh fuck,
it's
that would have been.
It's so meant to be, man. I don't know. Do you think I should buy the other one? I gotta check out this online shit.
You got it. We'll make this work.
Yeah. No, this way lets me like do like a leather shift boot and make it like still look factory.
Right.
Like over this shit. That's my plan.
How's the car run though? Good.
Fucking great, dude. Yeah. Well, the S54 and it jams. It's like, I don't know, maybe if I'm lucky, 290 to the wheels, 280, 300.
2J, man.
Nah, I'm keeping this.
Keeping
I'm keeping the S54. I'm gonna turbo it. One day, you know, one day when I want power, like I don't even want power right now, dude. I want to do like a light flywheel and a lighter drive shaft.
I thought about it, but I'm just so like, I'm cheap.
You already got that. It's already there. Like you already like. See, it's an E46 M3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So and it already has an S54. Right?
Yeah, you blow a motor, it's 5 Gs.
You just rebuild it. Nah. No, you just like the bearings. They're just as strong.
I can make 800 wheel, throw a rod out the side of the 2J, and be in the game for
All right,
$2,100. Put it back in there.
That's
true.
Boom!
Fuck it.
Have you looked at what Boost? I guess Boost Freaks is doing with the S54? They're making like 1,200 horsepower.
Those motors are strong.
Yeah,
and
really strong.
That's where people get a lot of real bitter about the 2J swaps, is because they're like, why would you do that? Like the S54 is a great motor.
Yeah.
But then I give them the argument, well, at $2,000, you can buy a motor that's good to 800.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Like, and it's Toyota, so everything's cheap.
I still like the S54, and like the trannies are good. Like the ZF 6-speed's like strong. People are starting to like do those on 2J swaps now too.
Yeah, they're mating these. The only
well, I guess you could do that then and keep your trans.
Well, I heard right at about 600 with the JZ motors, they're having the torque is just.
It's plenty. What are you trying to go for?
750.
Okay.
700.
Sure am. Evan's tuning. How much power is it making?
Right now it makes 22 at 540 torque.
Oh wow.
But that's in second gear. It's sequential, so
Okay.
it makes really about 400 foot-pounds. Pretty healthy.
We're kind of done. I need to do some painting, but here we go. So notched out the frame rails, boxed them back in, added a reinforcement plate down the side, trimmed it down the bracket to make it fit, rounded off the corners to make it more ergonomic, and we have ourselves a handbrake. Adjusted just right. Super stiff. Absolutely perfect. Oh, I love it. It ain't even gonna go back that far. It's gonna go probably this far. Ah, it's so good, man. It is so fucking good. Yes. Yes. I am ecstatic. It is beyond my wildest expectations. Proper stiff, proper strong. Hell yes.
Notch it down and rebox them. Add the scab plate. A little plate right here. You know, they just got to be stiff. They can't have no play in it. Feel strong, like
Yeah.
you know what I mean. When you pull the lever, like it engages. You don't get that 1/4 inch of slop before it starts to pull.
Yeah, it makes it feel a lot better. And then I can still actually Camera go down. I can actually flip this if I want my
lines
lines
on
coming
this
out
side.
the other side, yeah,
Yeah.
depending on where.
That
Because
might-
there's plastic here.
That might be better if you flip it and run the lines on the back side of the carpet here.
Yeah. Yeah, I might do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe get another banjo fitting. Knock that one straight down.
Yep. Or even straight down, just
Oh,
like
straight
a
back,
45
yeah.
down.
Yep.
Be perfect.
Oh, man. Oh, man, it's good.
Woo!
It is good. Jason is the man. Knocked that out. Awesome. Proper. Now I gotta get all this fiberglass out of my car, so. No, that's okay. That's life.
Yeah, 2 options you have. Cleaning up fiberglass or holes in the carpet.
That's right. Cleaning up fiberglass any day. Alright, we'll be back when the car's cleaned out.
This thing's
It's like, it's in a good spot, huh?
that's in a very good spot.
Yeah.
It's like feels perfect. Like it's not too close to the steering wheel where you feel like you're
Yeah.
in the shifter right there. If you extend it, it's gonna shit right there.
Oh, yeah,
Right
yeah.
here, just pow.
You've seen IRP sells like a reverse locked out shifter that's like taller, yeah. It's like $500, but
Ouch.
like you press down the center to lock out for reverse. Because like at Desert Man, I would like go to second gear and like go through the reverse gate, and you know there's no gear there, but like I would just
Yeah, you would
run out
smack
of
it over. Yeah, you
I
would.
smack nothing, and I'm like, oh,
Yeah,
where's
oh,
fuck?
there's
Oh
not-
god, oh
yeah,
yeah. And then,
yeah.
then you get lost, and you're like, now I already fucked up my initiation and
Oh,
everything.
right. So
Yeah.
it has the reverse lockout. You have to push it down
Instead of just pushing through it like
Yeah,
stock.
like
yeah,
this, yeah.
exactly.
the brake.
Yeah. Yep.
Boom!